Good morning, students. Once again, welcome back to the 4th standard English class. So, students, in previous video, we have started lesson number 10, that is Rashmi's gift. So, I hope you all have understood the lesson. So, that lesson only we will continue today because we have completed only half lesson in that video. So, remaining lesson we will continue in this video. Okay? So, let's begin. Yes, awesome. Rashmi was impressed. Nani's emotional speech also gave birth to a wonderful idea in her mind. A few days later, Nani was awakened by Rashmi. As she drew aside the curtains of her window to let in the pale early morning sun. Rise and shine, Nani. Rashmi chirped as she amazed. Nani looked at her bright eyed granddaughter. My goodness, the sun is already out, said Nani, bothered at being found sleeping late. Come on, Nani, hurry up. I will meet you downstairs in 10 minutes, said Rashmi, teasingly as she skipped down the stairs. Yes. What happened? Yes, Rashmi was impressed. Why? Because Nani's emotional speech also gave birth to a wonderful idea in her mind. In whose mind? In Rashmi's mind. What impressed? Nani's emotional speech impressed the Rashmi, and that speech gave a wonderful idea in Rashmi's mind. Okay. A few days later, Nani was awakened by Rashmi. As she drew aside the curtains of her windows, let in the pale early morning sun. Now Nani was awakened by Rashmi, and as well as Rashmi told, rise and shine, Nani. Rashmi chirped. Chirped means chilipili. Okay. Sound. Okay. As the amazed Nani looked at her bright-eyed granddaughter. When Rashmi came to wake up the Nani looked her bright-eyed granddaughter. Okay. Yes, now Nani told, my goodness, the sun is already out. Who said? Nani said, and Nani bothered. Why? Because at being found sleeping late. Because she wake up late. Yes or no? Yes. Now Rashmi told Nani, come on Nani, hurry up. I will meet you downstairs in 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, I wanted to see you in the downstairs, said Rashmi teasingly as she skipped down the stairs. Skipped means ಆ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಜಿಗಿತಾ ರಶ್ಮಿ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ ನಾನಿಗೆ, ನಾನು 10 ನಿಮಿಷದೊಳಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ನೋಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಬೇಗನ ಎದ್ದು ಬರ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. Okay. Yes. Rashmi took Nani along the path that led up the hill. She carried 2 bottles of water and brown paper packet with her. Why the bottles of water, Rashmi? Asked Nani. Today is not watering day. I have my surprises too, Nani, Rashmi said smugly. Please be a bit patient. Soon they reached the small ridge, which was the usual meeting point. Rashmi whipped out a whistle from her pocket and gave two shrill snorts. Suddenly, all the children and their team leaders started appearing from various hiding points. Yes, what happened here? Now, Rashmi took Nani along the path that led up the hill. Now, Rashmi took Nani with her where that led the hill. Okay, she carried two bottles of water. Who? Rashmi carried two bottles of water, and as well as Rashmi carried a brown paper packet with her. Now Nani is asking, why the bottles of water, Rashmi? Who is asking? Now Nani is asking to the Rashmi, why the bottles of water, Rashmi? Today is not watering day. What Nani asked here? Nani asked, why the bottles of water, Rashmi? Today is not watering the day. Then why you are carrying the bottles? Okay, yes. Now Rashmi replied, I have my surprises too, Nani. Rashmi said smugly. Smugly means feeling greatly. Now Rashmi told, I have a surprise for you, Nani. Please be a bit patient. Okay, yes, soon they reached the small ridge which was the usual meeting point. Rashmi whipped out a whistle from her pocket and gave two shrill notes. Suddenly, all the children and their team leaders started appearing from various hiding points. Yes, soon all means Rashmi and Nani reached the small ridge which was the usual meeting point. Okay, then Rashmi whipped out a whistle from her pocket and Rashmi gave two shrill notes. So when Rashmi gave two shrill notes, suddenly all the children and their team leaders started appearing from various hiding points. Okay? Yes, what is going on? Thought Nani as she looked at the sparkling eyes of her excited grandchild. On the count of three, the entire gathering burst out singing Happy Birthday, Nani. Nani was overcome with emotions. I completely forgot my own birthday, she thought, but Rashmi remembered. What a loving child she is. She must have gone through a lot of trouble to organize this surprise. Nani dabbed at her eyes which were streaming with joy. Yes. Now Nani is thinking. What she thinking? What is going on here? Who thought? Nani thought. Okay. As she looked at the sparkling eyes of her excited grandchild. When Nani looked at Rashmi. Rashmi was very excited. Even Rashmi also excited. Even Nani also excited. Why? Because Nani wanted to know. Okay, on the count of three, when Rashmi count down the three, all the entire gathering burst out singing Happy Birthday, Nani. Everybody have started singing Happy Birthday, Nani. Now, Nani was overcome. Nani was overcome with emotions. Okay, and Nani told, I completely forgot my own birthday. She thought, but Nani thought here, but Rashmi remembered. What a loving child she is. Now Nani thought, what a loving child Rashmi. She must have gone through a lot of trouble to organize this surprise. Nani thought that Rashmi took too much trouble to organize this surprise. Now Nani dabbed at her eyes. ಡ್ಯಾಬ್ಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀರು ಕಣ್ಣಾಗೆ ನೀರು ಬಂದು ಕಣ್ಣು ಒದ್ದೆ ಆಗ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡ್ಯಾಬ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಕಣ್ಣೀರು ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮಿಂಗ್ ನೀರು ಹರಿತಾ ಇದೆ ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಸಂತೋಷದ ಕಣ್ಣೀರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾನಿ ಡ್ಯಾಬ್ಡ್ at her eyes which were streaming with joy. Okay, yes. However, Rashmi's surprise was not yet over. Please come here, Nani. She called. She held out a tiny sapling in her clasped hands. Let us plant this sapling on your birthday. After Nani finished planting and watering the sapling, Rashmi said, Nani, you gave me a wonderful gift this holiday, the gift of trees. I wanted to gift you a tree in return. She then placed a little placard next to the sapling. The placard read, for my dearest Nani, happy birthday. Yes. Look at here, children. However, Rashmi's surprise not yet over. Still Rashmi's surprise was not over. Now Rashmi told, please come here, Nani. Rashmi called. To whom? To Nani. She held out a tiny sapling in her clasped hands. Who? Rashmi was holding a sapling in her hands. Yes or no? Then Rashmi told, let us plant this sapling on your birthday. Now Rashmi told to Nani, let us plant this sapling on your birthday, Nani. Okay, after Nani finished planting and watering the sapling, Rashmi said, Nani, you gave me a wonderful gift this holiday. When Nani planted the sapling, Rashmi told, Nani, you gave me a wonderful gift on this holiday. That is the gift of trees. So that's why I wanted to gift you a tree in return. Then Rashmi placed a little placard next to the sapling which was planted by the Nani. That placard read, my dearest Nani, happy birthday. She placed a placard. On that placard she was written that, for my dearest Nani, happy birthday. In front of that plant she placed the placard. Okay, yes. Rashmi then turned towards the gathering and said, friends, our grandparents and their parents have planted the trees we see around us, so that we can enjoy their shade and shelter. Indiscriminate cutting of trees is harming our environment. Today let us vow to save trees. A tree benefits everyone in this and future generations. Let us gift a tree to all our loved ones and gift a green earth to our future generations. Yes, after that, what Rashmi did here? Yes, now Rashmi then turned towards the gathering and said, Then after planting the tree or after planting the sapling, Rashmi turned towards the gathering. Then Rashmi told, friends, our grandparents and their parents have planted so many trees. So that's why we see around us, and as well as we can enjoy the shade and shelter of all that trees. So indiscriminate of cutting of trees is harming our environment. Cutting of trees means what will happen? Yes, harming the environment. Yes or no? So today let us save the trees. So that's why we have to save the trees. A tree benefits everyone in this and future generation. So then only the tree will give the benefits, and or else we will get the benefits of tree now also and for a future generation also. So that's why let us gift a tree to all our loved ones. So because of this reason, so we all have to gift a tree to everyone or our loved ones, and gift a green earth to our future generations. And as well as Rashmi told that we will gift a green earth to our future generation also. Okay. Yes. What happened here? So what we have to do here? We all have to plant a saplings or plant. Okay. Then only we will get fresh air. Okay. And we can see a clear blue sky also. Yes or no? And easily we can breathe also. Yes or no? So that's why we should plant the trees. So that is very good for everyone. Not only for us, in future generation also it will be very helpful. Okay. So dear students, so this 10th lesson is completed today. So I hope you all have understood the lesson. Thank you. Have a nice day.